Hello everyone, this is Ron from Neon, and in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate your potential ad reach using our reach calculator tool. The reach calculator will give you an idea of how much return you can get for a certain amount of budget. When you open it, you just have to add a budget that you want to simulate with. After that, you have to choose the platforms that you will plan on run the campaigns on. So you can choose from Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, or Google. Then you have to define the industry. Here you can choose between travel, tech, and many other industries. For the sake of this example, let's just keep it as standard. At last, you can define how the budget should be distributed. You can choose a budget to show maximal reach for each platform, or just to distribute the budget evenly. So here for our example, we chose 500 euros. As you can see, you would reach approximately 112,000 people with Facebook ads and 45,000 people on Google search, for example. You can see the estimated reach, obviously, the estimated engagement, but also the estimated traffic, which is the most important metric here. If you change it up and just tick off some of the platform, you can see that the numbers have been adjusted. And if you decide to distribute the budget equally, then the numbers will be adjusted again. This here will give you an estimation of how much reach and how many visits you can get with the budget that you have in mind of spending. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below.